Hi guys, welcome to another video. So guys, recently I participated in a hackathon called NeuroRobotics Hackathon organized at IIT Jodhpur. So it was really a great experience, and in this competition the main idea was to control a system using our brain signals, you know. And interestingly we came second in this competition, guys. So in this video I'm going to share about my experience of this competition. So let's get started, and guys, watch this video till the end. So guys, this competition that is the NeuroRobotics Hackathon was organized by the School of AI and Data Science and the Neurotech Society IIT Jodhpur from 12th to 15th of March 2026 at Jodhpur Club here in the campus of IIT Jodhpur. So it was the second edition of this competition. Based on day one, early around 9 a.m. We got our team registered. So our team name was Optimus. So after that, the hackathon was inaugurated by the head of the School of AI and Data Science, and then we had some interesting sessions. So the first one was about BCI, that is the brain computer interface, by Vignesh sir. So here we learnt about what are the different BCI signals like EEG, EMG, EOG, and BCI pipeline. Then we had another session by Bivraj sir on the topic wearable robotics, where he said about like what are the different robotic systems which we can control using brain signals. Then we had another industry session by Dr. Bhattacharya from Anthric. So he gave a session on the topic like how to be a tech CEO. So it was quite interesting, and also he explained about some of the key products of Anthric. And then there was a session on the hackathon guide by Swatantra, the head of the Neurotech Society. So he explained about the rules of the hackathon, and also what were the some of the projects which the participants of the previous year did. Then after lunch we had demonstrations at labs of BCI labs at IIT Jodhpur, like what are the different signals, how they collect this EEG signals, EMG signals, and what equipments they have. And it was really fascinating to see such kind of projects going on here at IIT Jodhpur related to BCI. Then certain session by Shaheen on the kit, that is the NPG Playground Lite, which we received during the competition. Also he said about some of the softwares which use to collect data. And so guys, like we received this kit during the to experiment in the competition. Later we had to return the kit also. And yeah, by then I think by this time we had a good idea like what are the tools and knowledge required for making a project in this related to BCI and robotics. And then we had a brainstorming session, so where as a team we decided like on what kind of projects we can work upon based on the knowledge we gained. And finally we decided that we want to control a drone using BCI signals. And it's so interesting, like it's a very interesting topic, so keep listening to this video to see like what we made at the end. And then and also one of the best things of this competition was the mentors, that the professors, mentors, volunteers, they were so much helpful. Like they encouraged us and motivated us at every step. Then next also the organizing team, they also arranged for snacks in between, so it was really great. And then on day 2, so the actual work started on day 2, where we divided our team into smaller teams, and one team was responsible for collecting different types of data. Like we collected EOG data. EOG data means the movement of the eye signals, eyeballs. So it was quite easy to get distinguishable signals from EOG. We also tried to collect signals related to EEG from our that is the motor imagery. So suppose we are trying to pick a object with our hand, then some signals are generated in our motor cortex. So we were trying to capture those signals also, but it was we were not getting perfect signals from this EEG. So guys, day 2 went in this only, like collecting, like to see what are the feasible signals we can collect from our brains or muscles, and how to pre-process them. Next, so guys, we also worked till late nights, and we had some quite enjoyable moments as a team, very fun moments, and also great moments. And then on day 3 we continued with exploring other types of signals like muscle signals. Suppose when we do our hand like this, we get some signals from here. And then focus, when we try to focus, we also get some different kind of beta signals. And then and guys, do you know what, like till day 3 was the last day, so I think by the end of day 3 we were supposed to complete have a working prototype of the project, because on day 4 there were presentations. So till evening of day 3, we collected a lot of data, we tried to pre-process it, but we were not getting those signals which were required to move a drone, like move the drone up or down, left or right, forward or backward. We required some distinguishable signals. So guys, we were kind of very stressed and tired, and then we took a break, and then again started working. And that day we almost stayed up till whole night. We didn't sleep. And interestingly, at some point of time our code started working, and our algorithm started working, and we finally got some good results. And we were we were able to control the drone using our eye movements, muscle movements, and we felt so happy when the drone started being controlled by our desired signals. And guys, I want to mention here about our team leader, who was so enthusiastic and passionate. Without his direction, I don't think we would have been able to achieve these results. And then guys, on day 4 finally we had the presentations. So before the presentation we had a session on IP, that is intellectual property. So suppose if someone gets a good idea from this hackathon and if they want to patent it, so the organizers also took care of that and have helped us to gain knowledge about how to patent our idea. And then finally the demonstration started. We demonstrated our project, and we came second, and we were so happy. We received cups and certificates for securing the second position. And there were some of the very cool projects from other teams also. There were 5 teams who participated in this competition. So some team, they tried to control robotic arm using brain signals. Another team, they tried to control a mobile robot using brain signals. Then there was a team who tried to like using the hand muscles. That team tried to play a VR football game. So it was very good projects and an amazing exposure. And then finally we had like the organizers arranged for pizza, and we had a good lunch. And then that's it. With that we had some photo sessions, and that wraps up the hackathon. So guys, it was really a very great competition. So initially, without having any knowledge about BCI, we were able to build a working prototype of controlling a drone using BCI signals. So it was a amazing experience. So guys, अगर आप लोग अभी भी अपने initial college of initial years में हो college में, then do participate in such kind of hackathons, so which really makes learning addictive. So yeah. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.